How to add scrolling text to Shopify. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do so. So first log into your Shopify admin, go to Online Store, Themes, and click on Edit Theme. Next up, locate the page where you want to add it to. So in my case, I'm just going to add it right beneath this hero section. And I'm just going to click on Add Section here and click on Custom Liquid, like so. And I'm just going to move it to be right beneath the hero section. So I'm just going to drag it right underneath here. So far there's nothing yet because we are just going to go down to the description. We are going to be able to find a code. You simply just want to copy it and paste it right over here. So it's going to look something like this. And basically what we want to do is just adjust a few things. First thing, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make it full width, like so. And second of all, we're just going to adjust the code so that you can change the text in it. So let's just go in and show you exactly what you can actually change. So it's very simple. This is the code here. So what you want to do is just copy this, or not copy, but just highlight this until you find the last star. This and NBSP, and then this, the colon, semicolon. You don't really want to mess with that. So just make sure you select until the final star. You just want to delete this and add the things that you want to say in the scrolling text. And then once you do this for the first one, you simply just want to copy the new text that you added and paste it for this one and this one and this one. It's going to be exactly the same text 4 times in a row. This is just basically just so to compensate for larger screens. So it's always going to have, you know, text next to each other, so it's not going to have any gaps in between. Next up, you can just feel free to change the background color for the banner, like so. From here, it's going to be black by default. You can feel free to change it. And same goes for the text color. It's white by default. You can feel free to change it. Next up, we have the scroll speed here. So it's going to be this one. You can make it less, so it's going to be faster. And if it's going to be more, then it's going to be slower, basically. So this is how it works. So you can just feel free to also adjust this as you like. And yeah, just like that, once you're done adjusting the code, simply just copy and paste it in the custom liquid and click on save, and we are pretty much good to go. So hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful, and for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.